How's your latte?
Flat white, but they gave me
What's the difference between flat white and latte?
milk portion.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So which has more milk?
I think latte have more milk.
Oh, so it's not as strong, is it?
Maybe not. Maybe latte have less milk.
Oh.
It's very strong.
Is it better than my coffee?
No, Lily's coffee is always number one.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Are you gonna make more coffee for me?
Yeah, man.
We're too hungry and we cook some very fast dinner. It's the chickens, which have cheese and pesto. And we also have our animation ready for tonight. What's the animation name?
Huh?
What's the animation name?
Jiu-jitsu.
Jiu-jitsu. Kaisen, yeah.
Wow, the chicken tastes very juicy and very tender.
It's gonna be my birthday soon. He asked me what I want. I want to have coffee every day at home urgently, so we get it early before my birthday. Open that. Comes with the filter basket and a tamper, a cleaning kit, and 2 filter basket, I think.
4, buddy. This is the double. Yeah.
And this machine.
Where you want to put it?
Then I will put this in. And also I got this barista almond milk from supermarket. Hope this will taste good. And firstly, we tap this button, then run the hot water through for 30 seconds. This is for heat up the machine, right?
Put a single and a double head, man.
Really?
I think you just gotta go twice, I guess.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, no, put it in again. Press it in.
Tampon. Make sure you need to tamp evenly.
Get your cup.
Let's see if this pressure goes to in the middle range. If this go to the middle means you are good on the temp. Oh. Actually, the middle one is the best, right? Oh, it's going there. This is what we have now. Looks very creamy.
Come on.
What's this? What is this?
Then we got our first homemade barista coffee here.
Tastes like shit.
It's very smooth and very
Light.
it's not strong enough.
Yeah, because we didn't put enough, I guess. If you go more, it's more bitter.
But tastes quite nice. The milk is not bad as well.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No, you don't have to buy any coffee anymore from outside.
Yeah. How is the food? Whoa. Nice.
Today we're gonna make a miso cod, and we have already marinated this cod for how long?
72 hours.
72 hours.
48 hours, sorry.
48 hours. It's combined with the miso and mirin and some waters. We're gonna bake in a very high degree.
Not really. 200 degrees. Look at that beautiful fish.
How long?
20 minutes.
Then we make the soup.
Get some with the belly. The what? Yeah.
We're gonna make a Japanese sukiyaki recipe.
We got some very nice marble beef, and let's do it. Wow, this beef looks so nice. How about this part?
That's for the sukiyaki table.
Then 100 gram soy sauce.
Tell me when to stop. Shit.
100 mirin.
Oh, it's freaking good, eh?
Then 3 tablespoons sugar.
What do you mean? That's half a tablespoon.
How many water?
200.
Then let's grill the tofu. We drizzle some olive oil. Oh, is it?
Nope.
Oil?
Nope.
What? What's that?
It's canola oil.
Canola. Canola is veggie, right?
I guess so.
In the meanwhile, we put the very fat beef tallow in the pot, which we will be using for actual sukiyaki. Then we turn on the fire to make the beef sizzling and get the fatness out from this beef, and we can actually flavor the sukiyaki.
Makes my tongue flip.
Wow. Where's the meat? Where is the meat? The meat is quite tender.
Yeah. I feel
but
like it'd be
it's-
better if it was smaller.
I think our cut is not very. The cut is a bit too thick. It's very hot.
You want to put in more beef?
Yeah.